Mastering idiomatic expressions. Unlock the power of English. Hello learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a truly fascinating aspect of English language learning, idiomatic expressions. Our primary focus will be on understanding what these expressions are, and why they are so important when striving to achieve fluency in English. Let's jump right in. Idiomatic expressions, or idioms, are phrases or expressions that have a figurative or sometimes literal meaning. They are a part of everyday English, often arising from older sayings or wider cultural references. They are not meant to be understood word for word. Their meaning is embedded in cultural or historical context rather than the literal definitions of the words themselves. For example, when someone says, "It's raining cats and dogs," they don't mean that cats and dogs are falling from the sky. Instead, they're saying that it's raining very heavily. Now, you might be wondering why idiomatic expressions are important. The answer is simple. Idiomatic expressions add color, richness, and depth to language use. They make your conversation more engaging and natural. More importantly, understanding idioms is crucial for fluency in English because native speakers use idioms all the time. If you don't understand idiomatic expressions, you might miss out on the actual message they're trying to convey. Comprehension and usage of idioms can also indicate your level of familiarity with the language and culture. Using them correctly can make you sound more like a native speaker. Despite their importance, idiomatic expressions can be difficult for English learners. This is primarily because their meanings cannot always be deduced just by looking at the words in the phrase. Moreover, idioms can vary widely between regions, countries, and even groups of people within the same country. This makes them particularly tricky, but also fascinating, as they offer a window into the diverse cultures of English speakers worldwide. In conclusion, idiomatic expressions are an essential part of the English language. Although they can pose a challenge, understanding and using them correctly can truly elevate your English language skills to the next level. Remember, learning idioms is not just about memorizing them, but understanding the context in which they're used. So stay curious, keep exploring, and don't forget to enjoy the journey. We hope this video has been helpful and can't wait to see you in the next one, where we'll explore more strategies for learning idiomatic expressions effectively. Happy learning, everyone!